Kung naghahanap ka ng sobrang murang bahay sa Cavite, huwag mong i-skip to. Bank Foreclose Alert sa Barangay Tapia, General Trias, Cavite. Inner townhouse lot ito na may 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath at may 1 carport na rin. Lot area 50 square meter. Floor area 40 square meter. Ang pinaka-rare dito, no bidding basta walang kasabay. Ibig sabihin, unahan talaga. Unang mag-process sa kanya mapupunta. Selling price 1,620,000 only. As is where is condition. Sample computation tayo para makita mo kaya mong monthly. 20% down payment, 324,000. 80% bank loan, 1,296,000. Estimated monthly amortization around 9,500 to 12,000 plus per month. Depende sa bank approval and loan term. Plus 5,000 earnest money para ma-initial hold ang unit. Take note, bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Mode of payment, cash, PDC, manager's check, or bank home loan. Comment Trias 1620 para masend namin full details at viewing schedule. Libre house tour assistance. Message us agad para ma-schedule ka.